Cardano value equivalent to 858 rands a coin. The present cost range 811,902. The earlier day close 883. The change was 0.25, 283%. Converse rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place, cost at 8,000 rands. Exorbitant cost 993, while low cost 8,000. Found the middle value of cost 880. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 928. Change for September 16%. Cardano gauge for October 2024. In the first place, cost at 928 rands. Exorbitant cost 918, while low cost 736. Found the middle value of cost 846. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 791. Change for October 14.8%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost, cost at 791 rands. Exorbitant cost 982, while low cost 791. Found the middle value of cost 871. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 918. Change for November 1%. Cardano estimate for December 2024. First and foremost, cost at 918 rands. Exorbitant cost 1140, while low cost 918. Found the middle value of cost 1010. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1065. Change for December 16%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2025. To start with, cost at 1065 rands. Exorbitant cost 1296, while low cost 1065. Found the middle value of cost 1159. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1211. Change for January 13.7%. Cardano estimate for February 2025. To start with, cost at 1211 rands. Exorbitant cost 1291, while low cost 1123. Found the middle value of cost 12.8. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 12.7. Change for February's 3%. Cardano cost expectation for WARC 2025. At the outset, cost at 12.7 rands. Excessive cost 12.7, while low cost 989. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 11.17. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1063. Change for spring 11.9%. Cardano figure for April 2025. Initially cost at 1063 rands. Excessive cost 1157, while low cost 1005. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1077. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1081. Change for April 17%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2025. At the outset, cost at 1081 rands. Excessive cost 1175, while low cost 1021. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1094. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1098. Change for May 16%. Cardano gauge for June 2025. In the first place, cost at 1098 rands. Exorbitant cost 1198, while low cost 1042. Found the middle value of cost 1115. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1120. Change for June 2%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset, cost at 1120 rands. Excessive cost 1223, while low cost 1063. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1137. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1143. Change for July 1%. Cardano figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 1143 rands. Excessive cost 1349, while low cost 1143. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1224. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 1261. Change for August 10.3%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at 1261 rands. Excessive cost 1284, while low cost 1116. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1215. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 12 change for September 4.8%. Cardano figure for October 2025. Before all else, cost at 12,000 rands. Excessive cost 1489, while low cost 12,000. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1320. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 1392. Change for October 16%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else, cost at 1392 rands. Excessive cost 1513, while low cost 1315. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.9. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 14.14. change for November 16%. Cardano figure for December 2025. Initially cost at 1414 rands, excessive cost 1538, while low cost 1336. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1431. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1437, change for December 16%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at 1437 rands, excessive cost 1449, while low cost 1259. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1375. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1354, change for January 58%. Cardano conjecture for February 2026. Before all else cost at 1354 rands, exorbitant cost 1499, while low cost 13.3. They found the middle value of cost 1389. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 14.1, change for February 3.5%. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at 14.1 rands, exorbitant cost 14.1, while low cost 11.60. They found the middle value of cost 13.2. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 12.47, change for spring 11%. Cardano gauge for April 2026. In the first place cost at 12.47 rands, exorbitant cost 15.30, while low cost 12.47. They found the middle value of cost 13.64. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 14.30, change for April 14.7%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2026. Initially cost at 14.30 rands, excessive cost 15.55, while low cost 13.51. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.47. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 14.53, change for May 16%. Cardano gauge for June 2026. In the first place cost at 14.53 rands, exorbitant cost 15.79, while low cost 13.73. They found the middle value of cost 14.70. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 14.76, change for June 16%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2026. Initially cost at 14.76 rands, excessive cost 16.5, while low cost 13.95. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.94. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 15s, change for July 16%. Cardano figure for August 2026. Initially cost at 15s and rands, excessive cost 17.84, while low cost 15s. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.18. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 16.67, change for August 11.1%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2026. Before all else cost at 16.67 rands, excessive cost 16.67, while low cost 14.